We get the two babies eating grapes. And Mama, yes. Isn't that great? Look at that. You're having grapes. There's the little twins. There's the twin babies. Yes. With good kids. Good kids. Yeah. I put all them grapes out for you. So you'd have grapes. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yeah, see, you ate all the cookies. Huh? Did you eat all the cookies? Did you? There's Mama there. She's going to have the... What are you doing? Uh-huh. What are you doing? You're having grapes. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. It's your good boys. It's your good babies. Yes, you are. It's good babies. Look how they hold their heads up. Look at those babies. Look at those babies. Huh? Oh, it's okay. There's only another raccoon coming. You should be used to seeing raccoons by now. Huh? There's Mama Raccoon. She keeps looking. She hears a noise, and that's probably somebody else coming. You found some more, did you? Did you find some more? Yes, you did. Yes, let your brother have some. They're good, aren't they? Huh? Aren't they good? Yeah, I see her boobs are going back down, so you guys are eating here full time. Yeah. You're not on the milk no more. No. You're on regular food. Yes, you are. You're such good boys. You're such good boys. Well, we don't know what they are yet. That whole plate, what did they leave behind? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's still some there eating yet. Yes, they are. You want some cookies? You want some cookies? She hears something. I say they're going to skedaddle in a minute. Oh, I'll get you a couple of cookies, okay? I'll just put the camera on here. And I can't throw them on the deck because it startles them. Want some cookies? Oh, they're running. Yeah. Yeah, they must have heard something. They're off and running for the woods. She's looking all around. The bear won't bother them. Okay, that's video number 3. Okay, people. We'll see you later.